Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are opening a squishy package. And wait, did I say we? Oh, she's not here yet. Let's just get her here. Okay. Hi guys. So this is Jasmine, and today I'm going to be including her in our video. We're going to be opening a squishy package, and it's just going to be really quick. And we just wanted to tell you guys that we're actually selling them just around our community first, and then we'll try to get worldwide, you know.
Worldwide.
So, well, not worldwide, but no.
Ship them out to people.
Yeah, basically. So let's just get on with the video. But like and subscribe first.
Dang it.
Ready? Let's just go ahead and open it. I don't know where to start.
Yeah, she doesn't
And
know.
I have no idea what's in the package.
Yeah, she has no clue what it is. I ordered it.
Oh my gosh. We're ripping the package apart. Okay.
Ready?
So just opening it.
Oh, help me.
Oh, it's green.
Or
Oh.
not.
Oh my gosh.
We just ripped open
I
the
think
bag.
we ripped open this squishy. It says squishy right there. But I think we ripped open the part that
Holds it.
holds the squishy. Oh, wait. Let's see if there's...
I don't think there's anything else, sweetheart.
There's not. Okay. So, what? It's a toothpaste one.
Oh.
With glasses. It's so cute. Here. Let's open the actual package.
We don't need
So,
scissors for this.
it's...
No, we cool. We just use
This took a long time since it was from China, so...
Yeah, it took about 2.5 weeks.
Oh my gosh, it's so soft. And these were pretty, like, cheap too. Oh my gosh.
So yeah.
It's like a professor. Oh my gosh.
So
It
basically,
smells good. It smells, you should smell it. Okay.
So basically,
This is
our
ridiculous.
job is to order them for you, and you guys will buy them from us. And like if you want to, obviously. So that's basically what we're doing. We will order them. Like if you can't order them for some reason, we'll order them and for you, whatever squishy you want, and we'll sell it to you. You'll just give us the money for it. Okay?
Oh my
So
gosh,
that sounds
that's
pretty
so
good. She's like obsessed with it now.
Oh my gosh. Are we allowed to keep this one?
Yeah, we're gonna keep this one.
Yay!
We
Okay.
already like caressed it. So.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I hope you like this video with Jasmine, my sister.
Let's caress
And what? And be a part of the hashtag notification squad. And yeah, bloopers are coming up right now because I think that was just one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are opening a squishy package, as you can tell by the thumbnail and the title. And today I have a special guest.
My name is Jasmine. I'm her sister.
Yeah, and you guys seen my other siblings, Sebastian and Genesis, and they are just super great, and Sebastian's just so cute. He's 6, so he's just adorable. And then Poncho, our little dog, that's a Chiweenie. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Today we're opening our squishy package, and like and subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications, and be a part of the unicorn squad. So let's go on with the video. I got it.
Is it gonna stop?
Oh my god!
It didn't stop. Alright guys, so we are dealing with technical difficulties. It will probably be one of our bloopers.
It won't stop. What the heck is wrong with this remote?
It's
Hey guys, welcome back to my Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I have a special guest.
Hi, I'm Jasmine. I am her sister.
And as you've seen Genesis, my other sister, and my little brother Sebastian, they are super nice if you meet them, and my little brother is just the most cutest boy in the world. But today, as you know by the title, we are doing our first squishy package, and we are actually planning on selling these, and we don't really know the prices yet, but we've kind of figured out some of them, like for the jumbo squishies. But anyways, we got this idea because at the squishy cart at my mall, I bought a lot of squishies from there, but they are just overpriced in my opinion, because I bought a jumbo squishy this big for about $15, and some of the little squishies are only, like those little small squishies are $6 there. It makes no point, but we wanted to make this video for you, and I thought it was just fun having Jasmine, my sister, on and see how it's like. But while we get on to the video, please like and subscribe to this channel.